Hi everyone, Randy here with Weekend Review. So I'm going to show you the opportunities that were available this week on GBPUSD. So let's get to it. Right, so we can clearly see that, okay, I'm going to start from the H4 time frame. I'm not going to do like a top-down analysis just for the sake of saving time, all right? But we can clearly see here that we were in an overall buyer's market, right? When the week started, we already had this breaker structure from past week. We had this order block here as a point of interest. So higher time frame, all right, we had breaker structure. You can also maybe place the fib from the low to the high. You got the 72% zone that was not tapped, okay? I'm going to show you what you can do if your 72% zone is not tapped. So let me go to the H1 time frame. Let's try to see what we could do. H1 time frame, that order block could have been evolved to an FVG. Market mitigated all the way down to the zone. Here we had New York low, all right? Price liquidated the previous session low. Now let's go to the M15. Let's try to see what happened. Asia session liquidated the previous day New York low. Asia low liquidated its own session, okay? Then we had a breaker structure. We had a breaker structure right there. After that, we place a fib from the low to the high. Then we place our buy limit order at the 72% zone, stop loss just below 100%. Our target would have been this previous Asia high. Okay, that's the first trade of the week. You had an 11-hour trade, easy. The next day, you do your analysis again. Okay, so let's go back to the H1 time frame to see what happened. So fib from the low to the high, mark your 72% zone. Let's go to M15. I actually got stopped out on this trade, to be honest with you guys. I actually entered on the 5-minute time frame, all right? So I was looking at this, all right? So this is, to me, is liquidity, all right? That's Asia low. We got this order block right here. Price tapped the 72% zone, liquidated the Asia low session. So when price tapped in there, what I did, I went to the M5 time frame. Price tapped into the zone, it went up, it tapped to the zone again. When it did that, it formed a W pattern, and then I placed my buy stop limit right there. Stop loss was just below right there, and I was going for this. I was actually going for this high here. I got stopped out, guys. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Price started tap me in, started moving in my direction, making high, low. When they got to this high here, I moved my stop loss to entry. New York came with the reversal. I got taken out overnight. Price did that. Really don't like holding trades overnight. But like this week we had like 2 opportunities where price actually went my way overnight. I hate when that happens, but you know, these things will happen, okay? But nonetheless, if it had not moved my stop loss to entry, I would have caught this 6-hour trade, all right? And also like 2 counter trend trades, but for the sake of making this video short, I'm really not gonna get into that. Come Thursday, you repeat the same thing again, same thing. Low point, high point, fib 72% zone, order block right there. Now let's go to the M15 to try to read price action. Like price mitigated all the way back to that zone. M5, yes, we had something very nice here actually. Price dropped to the zone. We had this bullish candle. All I did was I placed my buy stop order, okay? My stop loss was just below right there. I was actually not targeting the high. I was just targeting like maybe somewhere here. Because like a little stop hunt, but I did not get stopped out. Price started moving in my direction, and then this is towards the end of New York session. And like I told you guys, I don't like holding my trades overnight. 10:30 at night, that's when I close. But nonetheless, if I had done that, my trades still would have been open. But I was okay. Like I made like a 5-hour out of this trade, you know, like right here, something like that. It was like a 5-hour. So I'm cool with that. So that is pretty much it for this week, guys. It was a profitable week for me, but it wasn't as profitable as I wanted it to be. It could have been a lot better, but I mean, profit is profit. I'm happy with that. And I hope you guys had a profitable week. And do not forget, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and join the Discord. Like, it's really crazy. I'm actually gonna pull up the Discord here. These are all the analysis that I sent to the group. This is how they performed. Like Monday, I was stopped out. Tuesday, we won. Wednesday, we won. Thursday, we won. And Friday, I got stopped out because I was counter trend trading and I got stop hunted. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Join the Discord. You can get a lot of value out of it, especially if you're a new trader who's looking to make like a quick buck off of this analysis. Enjoy your weekend, guys. Have an amazing weekend. Come back fresh in the market on Monday, and we definitely are gonna make a lot of money, a lot of profit next week again. Cheers, guys. Randy out.